A blessed Sunday to everyone. Welcome to Pananaw Moments, where we reflect on the Sunday Gospels. Makikinig ka ba at maniniwala kung ang guro sa matematika ay magtuturo ng matematika? Oo naman, sapagkat siya ay may pagkadalubhasa sa matematika. Kumbaga, siya ay kwalipikado sa pagtuturo ng leksyon na ito. Ikalawang tanong, makikinig ka ba at maniniwala kung ang parehong gurong ito sa matematika ay iyong kaaway at siya ay magtuturo ng paksang pagmamahalan? Marahil marami sa atin ang magsasabing, hindi. Why will I believe to that person who preaches about love if that person cannot apply it in his or her life? In the Gospel, one of the disciples asked Jesus, take note, after Jesus finished praying, to teach them how to pray. And the Lord taught them the prayer we now know as the Lord's Prayer. And Jesus goes on to teach them that the Lord grants the good prayers of those who call upon Him. We see how the disciples trusted Jesus to teach them how to pray, for they know that the Lord is a prayerful God. He is the most qualified to teach them how to pray, to trust in God, to love. For there is no separation between Jesus' teachings and His way of life. Kung ano ang kanyang salita, ganun din ang kanyang gawa. His way of life is a testament of His prayer life. And allow me to move a little advanced in His teaching ministry, particularly in paying of taxes. When asked about this, Jesus preached to pay to Caesar what belongs to Caesar, and to God what belongs to God. Now, this teaching about paying taxes has a concrete act when in Matthew chapter 17, verse 27, Jesus asked Peter, in order not to offend the authority, to pay the temple tax, one for him and one for Peter. My dear brothers and sisters, this is a call and challenge for us. Kaakibat ng pagdarasal ay ang pagkakaroon ng mabuting asal. Our words should be in line with our actions and vice versa. We cannot be prayerful and hateful at the same time. Let Jesus be our model, who made His life a prayer, and His prayer His way of life. Let us walk the talk, that our every action be an embodiment of our prayers. Amen. Thank you for journeying with us. See you next Sunday for more Pananaw Moments.